and all present here today. As Mr. Sharma of class 7C is going to present a civics presentation in front of you all from chapter 9, a shirt in the market, and my topic is a cotton farmer in Kurnool. So let's begin. First, we will see what do we mean by a market. A market is a place where two parties can gather to facilitate the exchange of goods and services. The parties involved are usually buyers and sellers. The market may be physical, like a retail outlet, where people meet face to face, or a virtual, like an online market, where there is no direct physical contact between buyers and sellers. Now we will see what is a cotton farmer in Kurnool story. Swapna, a small farmer in Kurnool, it is in Andhra Pradesh, grows cotton on a small piece of land. She sells her produce to the local trader instead of selling it at Kurnool cotton market. Because she took a loan from the trader and he also made her to sell the produce to him, he bought cotton from her at a very low price. But she could not argue, as he is a powerful man in the village and everyone has to depend on him for a loan in times of emergency. Once the cotton is collected, instead of selling it at Kurnool cotton market, Swapna and her husband take the harvest to the local trader. At the beginning of the cropping season, Swapna had borrowed rupees 2,500 from the trader at a very high interest rate to buy seeds, fertilizers, pesticides for cultivation at that time. The local trader made Swapna agree to other condition. He made her promise to sell all her cotton to him. Cultivation of cotton requires high levels of inputs such as fertilizers and pesticides, and the farmers have to incur heavy expenses on accounts of these. Most often the smallest farmer need to borrow money to meet these expenses. All the traders' yard, two of his men weighed the bags of cotton at a price of rupees 1,500 per quintal. The cotton fetches rupees 6,000. The trader deducts rupees 3,000 for repayment of loan and interest and pays Swapna rupees 3,000. Now Swapna said, rupees 3,000 only, trader. Cotton is selling cheap. There is a lot of cotton in the market. Swapna, I have toiled so hard for a 4 month to grow this cotton. You can see how fine and clean the cotton is this time. I had hoped to get a much better price. Trader, Amma, I am giving you a good price. Other traders are not even paying this much. You can check at the Kurnool market if you do not believe me. Swapna, don't be angry. How can I doubt you? I had only hoped that we would earn enough from the cotton crop to last us a few months. Though Swapna knows that the cotton will sell for at least rupees 1,800 per quintal, she doesn't argue further. The trader is a powerful man in the village, and the farmer have to depend on him for loans, not only for cultivation but also to meet other agencies such as illness, children's school fees. Also, there are times in the year when there is no work and no income for the farmers. So borrowing money is the only means of survival. Swapna's earning from the cotton cultivation is barely more than what she might have earned as a wage laborer. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.